Welcome to our video on moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree. This remarkable plant has been celebrated for its health benefits for thousands of years, and its versatility is truly astounding. Every part of the moringa plant, leaves, pods, seeds, bark, roots, and flowers, is not only edible but also rich in medicinal properties. In this video, we will uncover 20 astonishing health benefits of moringa that will leave you questioning why this nutritional powerhouse isn't a staple in your diet yet. Join us as we explore how incorporating moringa into your daily routine can transform your health and well-being. If you're looking for more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel. You'll stay updated with the latest health and nutrition content. Moringa offers a plethora of health benefits, starting with its ability to combat inflammation. It functions similarly to anti-inflammatory medications by inhibiting enzymes and proteins that contribute to inflammation, helping to address chronic issues linked to various health disorders like heart disease and arthritis. Additionally, moringa leaves are rich in phytosterols, which block cholesterol absorption, effectively lowering overall cholesterol levels and enhancing lipid metabolism. This helps decrease harmful LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while its antioxidants prevent oxidative damage to cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Moringa is also protective against cancer due to its abundant antioxidants and bioactive compounds, which neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress and DNA damage. Laboratory studies have shown its effectiveness against several cancer types, including ovarian, liver, and pancreatic cancers. Moreover, moringa supports liver health by protecting against toxins, including heavy metals and medications, acting as a natural detoxifier. It can normalize liver enzyme levels, indicating restored liver function and reduced injury. Rich in calcium and vitamin K, moringa is vital for bone health and may help combat bone disorders like osteoporosis. It is particularly beneficial in treating anemia, with studies showing that regular consumption of moringa leaf powder can significantly reduce anemia risk, thanks to its high iron content, which is greater than that found in kale or spinach. Moringa also aids in blood pressure management due to its potassium content, which helps balance the effects of salt and reduces blood vessel tension. Known for its aphrodisiac qualities, moringa can stimulate sexual desire and has been shown to increase testosterone levels while lowering cortisol levels. Its high fiber content supports digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, and it also has anti-ulcer properties. In terms of skin health, moringa leaves contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, a key antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage and helps prevent signs of aging. Furthermore, moringa supports brain health by protecting brain tissue and enhancing cell function, thanks to its omega-3 fatty acids. It also improves eyesight, being rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for vision and preventing conditions like night blindness. Moringa's natural diuretic properties help prevent kidney stones by aiding in toxin elimination and reducing mineral crystallization, which is especially beneficial for those with high blood pressure or diabetes. For those looking to lose weight, moringa's high fiber content promotes fullness and aids digestion, while its low calorie count and nutrient density support overall health during weight loss efforts. In many cultures, moringa is utilized to boost breast milk production in new mothers, enhancing both quantity and nutritional quality. Additionally, moringa extracts have been shown to accelerate wound healing by promoting collagen formation and reducing inflammation, while its antibacterial properties help prevent infections. Moringa can also help balance hormones due to its rich phytochemical content, which mimics certain hormones and regulates hormonal activity. For asthma sufferers, moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate airway inflammation, while some compounds may act as natural bronchodilators to improve breathing. Finally, moringa is considered an adaptogen, helping the body manage stress by balancing cortisol levels and providing calming effects, which can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. To incorporate moringa into your diet, fresh leaves can be added to salads, blended into smoothies, or included in soups, stews, and curries. Consuming 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves daily is generally considered safe and beneficial. Moringa, often referred to as the drumstick tree, is gaining popularity for its potential health benefits, including weight loss. Here are a few ways it may help. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can support overall health and wellness, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Some studies suggest that moringa may enhance metabolism, which can aid in weight management. Moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially reducing cravings and the desire to snack. Reducing inflammation can improve metabolic processes and may support weight loss. Moringa may promote better digestion, which is crucial for effective weight management. While moringa can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet, it's best used alongside regular exercise and a balanced diet for optimal weight loss results. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. While moringa is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, there can be some side effects, particularly if taken in large doses or as a concentrated supplement. Here are some potential side effects. Some people may experience nausea, diarrhea, or stomach upset. Rarely, individuals may have allergic reactions, including skin rashes or itching. Moringa may lower blood sugar levels, which could be a concern for individuals with diabetes or those taking blood sugar medications. Some parts of the moringa plant, like the seeds, may not be safe during pregnancy as they can have uterine stimulant effects. Moringa may interact with certain medications, including those for diabetes or blood pressure. High doses of moringa extract have been associated with liver toxicity in some animal studies. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding moringa or any supplement to your routine, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking medications.